In this video, I'll show you how to remove a green screen background in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, I've added my green screen clip to the timeline and placed it above my background video on a higher track, usually video track 2 or above. Next, go to the Effects panel and type Ultra key into the search box. Drag the Ultra key effect onto your green screen clip. Now head over to the Effect Controls panel, and under Ultra key, you'll see an eyedropper tool next to key color. Click the eyedropper, then go over to the preview window and click on the green background in your video. Premiere will immediately remove most of the green, but we can clean it up a bit more. Expand the matte generation and matte cleanup sections. Under matte generation, adjust transparency and pedestal until your subject looks clean. Under matte cleanup, you can fine-tune choke and soften to smooth out any rough edges. And that's it. Your green screen background is now removed, and your subject is placed cleanly over your new background. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.